Hello, first grade. We are going to go ahead and get started. We are going to go through your checklist, and then after that, I'm going to go through each slide so that you know exactly what to do today. All right, your checklist. Number one says reading slides and then 20 minutes on iReady Reading, and then do your math slides and 20 minutes on iReady Math. The third thing to do is get on Mystery Science and watch the video. You're going to learn about Thanksgiving in different countries. And then number four says get on Google Classroom and practice sight words for 10 minutes. And then the last thing to do is totally your choice if you want to do some ABC-ya, get on ABC-ya, or get on BookFlex. Okay, so let's go through your slides. You are going to go ahead and you're going to click on this video right here to watch a story, and it's called Thanks for Thanksgiving. Pay attention to the story because there's going to be some questions afterwards that you guys need to answer. Then you are going to go on this page, and if you click on each of these blue boxes, I want you to write in here some things that you are thankful for, okay? So thankful for means, if I said that I am thankful for all of you, that means that I am so happy and excited that I get to see you guys and that you're part of my class, and I wake up every morning so excited. So being thankful means that you're happy for those things in your life. So you're going to click on these things. These could be your family, these could be your siblings, these could just be food, having a roof over your head, having toys, whatever you're thankful for, and you're going to type them in each of these boxes. Then after that, I want you to think back to the story of Thanks for Thanksgiving, and you're going to look at it in a point of view. So a point of view means you're going to put yourself into the character's shoes. So for example, the little boy, you're going to think about the little boy and what he thought and felt about Thanksgiving. And you're going to click right here and you're going to type in here how he felt about Thanksgiving. Then over here on the other side, you're going to think about the other family members that you learned about in the book and their thoughts on Thanksgiving. You're going to type them in this box the best you can. This box right here says point of view. What do I think and feel about Thanksgiving? So I want you to tell me what you think about Thanksgiving. You're going to click on this box and you're going to type it in here. Maybe you think, I love Thanksgiving. I get to eat all the turkey, pumpkin pie, blah, blah. Maybe you don't really like Thanksgiving. That's fine. Maybe you like Christmas more. That's totally fine. Maybe you like Halloween more. That's totally fine. So you're going to click in this box and you're going to type in here how you think and feel about Thanksgiving. All right, and then we're going to get into math. So you guys today, we're going to work on our 10 frame, and we'll do that right now. So I'm going to do the first one with you guys because I think this might be a little bit confusing, but once you see me do it, you'll be fine, okay? So at the top it says there are blank. So it wants to know how many circles there are. So I'm going to count them. Do not include this right here. This is the moon, okay? So we're not going to include this right here, or the sun. It kind of looks like the moon because it's dark outside. All right, so let's count the counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to type a number 6 in the box. And then I'm going to move the counters to my 10 frame and put them kind of beside each other. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then the cowboy up here, he says, how many need to join to make 6? So how many do we need to make 6? To make 10, excuse me. So we're going to count the empty boxes now. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to move the 4, and I say let's move the 4 on top of the moon for me, okay? And you see when I moved that, there was a little check mark that showed me that that was right. That we needed 4 more to make 10. So that's what you're doing. You're putting the number in here of how many circles you have. You're putting your counters in the 10 frame. And then you're seeing how many empty boxes you have to make 10. And you're going to move that number to the moon, okay? Or the sun. We're not sure what it is. Okay, so I did this first one for you, so you should feel really good about it. You have a couple more that you're going to do, and you're going to do the same thing that I just did. Okay. The last thing that you're going to do, at least on your slides, is you're going to click on this video, Mystery Science Thanksgiving, and you're going to learn about if other countries celebrate Thanksgiving or not. All right, that is it for today. Don't forget to get on iReady Reading and iReady Math, and work on your sight words on Google Classroom. And if you would like, just for some extra practice, get on ABC or Bookflix. I hope you guys have a wonderful Thanksgiving, and I will see you very soon.